Now, following composite supplies, that means number A, work contract as defined in the section 2 in bracket 119, that means as per section 2 subsection 190 is to be taken as supply of services. Now, in this work contract, it includes building, construction, fabrication, completion, erection, installation, fitting out, improvement, modification, repair, maintenance, renovation, alteration or commissioning of any immovable property wherein transfer of the property in goods, whether as goods or in some other form, is involved in the execution of such contract. And as per section 2 subsection 119, that means section 2 subsection 119, as per this section, these activities are to be taken as work contract, and if such work contract is made, then it is to be taken as supply of services, not as supply of goods. Again, supply by way or as part of any services or in any other manner whatsoever of the goods, being food or any other article for human consumption, or any drinks other than alcoholic liquor for human consumption, where such supply or services is for cash, deferred payment or other valuable consideration, then such type of supply is to be taken as supply of services. I repeat again, here activity that is to be carried out for work contract as defined in section 2 subsection 119 is to be taken as supply of services, and supply by way or as part of any services or in any other manner whatsoever of goods, being food or any other article for human consumption. That means here the supply is made for food or any other article for human consumption, or any drinks other than alcoholic liquor for human consumption, because we know that on alcoholic liquor for human consumption this is not covered under GST. Local government tax are being imposed on such item. This is not covered under GST norms. So exception is to be there for alcoholic liquor for human consumption, but with the exception of these item, supply of any foods or any other article for the human consumption or any drinks where such supply or services is made for cash or deferred payment or for any other valuable consideration, then such supply are to be taken as supply of services, not to be considered as supply of goods. And so these are the discussion on section 7 subsection 1A as per schedule 2 of CGST Act 2017, where the clarification is made in respect of the items that are generally that are not to be detected whether they are to be taken as supply of goods or supply of services. But if we read this section carefully, we can easily detect the item which are to be taken as supply of goods and the item which are taken as supply or provision of services.